You ever have that feeling like you're just stuck in autopilot or just kind of off? You don't really feel like yourself. You don't know where to go, what to do. A lot of people come to the conclusion that this is when they should get a new job, a new routine, new habit, but sometimes what they're really missing is direction. In ACT, values are one of our 6 common core processes. They're the things that matter deeply to the individual, but they're exactly that, individual. They have to be elected by each one of us independently. Values are so deeply personally held, but can also be important to us in our lives that they can allow us to feel like we're willing to feel discomfort in order to move toward our values. They're not goals. And what do I mean by that? They're not things that you would just tick off a list. If you value, let's say, taking care of your physical health, maybe you want to exercise, run, and maybe achievement matters to you. And so running a race, but you wouldn't just run a race and then say, okay, taking care of my physical health is all done now, and I don't care about achievement anymore. Achievement in your life might manifest itself in different ways. Same thing with, let's say, earning a degree, buying something that's important to you, or buying a big purchase like a car, a certain kind of computer, or a house. Values are ongoing, like being present. You don't just learn how to practice mindfulness and then that's it. You would want to apply it to domains of your life that are important to you. So what's important to me is being a present parent, but you might have a relationship in your life that really deeply matters to you that you want to be present for. Maybe there's an elderly person in your life where you feel like the time that you have with them is limited and you want to be present and not distracted with them. Maybe there's somebody that you get to spend a lot of time with and it's easy to take them for granted. And so that's where presence becomes unique and special with that person. Living with curiosity. Let's say standing up for justice, doing what's right, honoring the truth. You see, our values don't end. They inform how we move through this life. And we can continue to have different variations on how those values guide us, kind of like a compass pointing in a direction. That direction is ongoing. And specifically, values give us direction even when things feel messy. And that's an important piece that we can benefit from an acceptance and commitment therapy perspective. When life gets hard, values help us to come back to what matters most in our lives. They can anchor us. Research even shows that living in line with your values improves resilience, well-being, and decision-making under stress. It empowers us to hunker down and endure hardship at life's most difficult moments, including with physical pain. Values are kind of like a superpower for who we are as people, to help us find meaning in life, existentially, passion, but to figure out how we want to live on an ongoing basis. Let's open up the ACT Essentials app together. You can start by visiting app.thezensocialworker.ca in any web browser that you typically use. You're going to be presented with 2 different exercises that you can do, the ACT Values cards or the ACT Skills cards. The skills cards are a paid feature where there's many different ACT skills based on the different processes that you can practice immediately. But for today, we're going to focus on the values cards, and those are free to use. Now, when you get into the values cards, you're going to see how to use the deck, and that's okay. We're going to skip out of that for now. You can read it if you're interested. And here, with the values cards, you have 2 different options. The first is to choose and then reflect on the values that are important to you. And I have some really interesting journal reflection questions for you to fill out. Again, that's a premium feature, but you can go through them and choose the ones that you like for free. For today, I want to focus on sorting your values, which is really interesting. When you sort your values, you can divide them into 3 different piles, and this can be helpful around authoring or figuring out what your values are. The 3 piles are values that are important to me, values that are somewhat important, and values that are not important. Now, this is the activity that I use day in and day out in session with my clients. You're presented with beautiful hand-drawn illustrations for each one of the 60 values, but also words that give a nice, simple definition. And remember, there's no wrong answer to what people read into the cards. The illustrations are there to assist with giving an air about what the value is about. And same with the words. People will really derive their own meaning from it, and that's totally cool. If you're a clinician using this with your clients, let them read into it themselves. And if you're following along here, doing this work for yourself, just take some time to notice, what does each one of these values mean to you? And now let me also explain what important, somewhat important, and not important means. The values that you're going to label as important, these are the things that you actually want to work on in your life right now. These are the things that matter to you, whether you've been achieving them, and that's great, you want to maintain them, or they're things that you long to move toward. That's what we want to mark as important. The things that are somewhat important can be the things that matter to you, but that aren't a focus in your life right now. Maybe those aren't things that you really want to take time out of your day to measure day in and day out and make sure you're really connected to them, but they still matter. And then not important, I think this is actually interesting because it's informative around, maybe it matters to you generally in your life, but it's just not important to you right now. You just don't want to focus on it. Remember, this isn't about getting it right. It's about checking in with what feels true to you now as you're sitting in front of these values cards. And once you've finished, you can tap to save. And now you can go through all of the different cards that you've selected into different piles and see how you have divided them into these 3 different piles. Once you know what your values are, you can start making small shifts day by day, moment by moment. One of my favorite practices is asking myself, what would accepting myself for who I am do for me right now? That's one of my favorite values cards. I love the way that it's illustrated. It really speaks to my heart. Another one that touches me is acceptance to manage what cannot be changed. Again, I love the illustration. It really speaks to my heart. Love the illustrator that did these for me. But the best part about that card is it speaks to me and where I'm at in my life right now. Acceptance to manage what cannot be changed. What does that mean to me personally? And how can I live that in the moment? Now, if you're interested in taking a deeper dive into those values by doing the journaling reflection prompts and getting deeper into the meaning behind them, but also exercises around what they can look like in your day-to-day life, that's great. You can do that. That's available in the app. But again, it's a paid feature. By the way, I appreciate your support. When you know what your values are, you can even start asking yourself things like, does this behavior, this action, this thing that I want to do today, this thing that I'm planning to do in my life, move me toward what I care about? And now explicitly you have examples of what it is that you actually care about. This app makes it easy to not just identify what your values are, author them, but also to revisit them at any time. So they're not just something that you name once and forget, but that you make as a guiding light, a North Star, something that you move towards, the direction that your compass points towards. And I want to remind you, values work is at the heart of ACT. It's at the heart of meaningful change. It dignifies enduring difficulty so that we can move toward what matters. If you want to start showing up more fully in your life, the ACT Essentials app is a great place to begin, and I'm honored by your support. Try the value sorting activity today, and definitely leave a comment below telling us your top 3 values. I love that. It's so indicative of who we are. It's a great way to understand where we're at in our lives. I'd love to hear what matters most to you. Thanks for your support, and please share the ACT Essentials app with people in your world that matter to you. You never know who this might make a difference for.